is Puri Kumar. I am the team leader of the project. My project is ZOHO books preparation of maintenance for TravalTrax tours. First of all, create the account and then first of all create the items. The items is 6 items has to create them successfully. The next step is purchases and purchases has to compulsory the vendor name is the vendor name is 3 vendors. The compulsory the 3 vendors is the 3 vendors and then the next step is purchase order as per creating them. Purchase order as per creating them digital reports and the digital reports company there should be sending the items accommodation of booking cost select the quantity, select the rate and including the GST and click the save button and then the next step is convert to bill. The convert to bill is converted directly. The bills has to showing up the bill, no more only changes. The only change is the bill date and the only change is bill date and then check them quantity rates and GST confirm it and save it and then next process is directly bill has to creation direct bills creation successfully 2 bills travel details of wholesaler airlines. The next step is sales the customers creation compulsory the customers has to creations 3 customers has to creation and then next step is sales order creation. The sales order creation is Equity Solution Private Limited has to sold up some items. The some items is date fixing the corporate travel the quantity select the quantity and rate and then select the GST and save it. The next step is sales order is convert to invoice. The invoice led to Equity Solutions Private Limited. That then the only no more changes and then the only change is bill date. The bill date is that corporate travel select check them quantity and rate because probably max time of amount that should be correctly answers and then save it. The transaction is all be over. Next the bank account has been ordered. The bank account is you are only there no problem. Add manual bank account to add them adding successfully. The purchases expenses has been creating them. The salary expenses has been that bank through pay. Other expenses is petty cash that rent expenses is bank through pay and then completed successfully. That then the accountant chat of accounts ZOHO books is some amounts of accounts not approved, so the accounts has some own usage of creation and the own usage of creation other current liabilities salary payable has been created of chartered accounts. The new account could chartered accounts to save and the account has been created. Next manual journal entry has been proved that 3/10/2023 and manual journal entry is 1 lakh manual journal entry created and the project is over. The checking the final output the comparatively the project is over. First of all I check the profit and loss account. My answer is correct. Profit and loss account and then next answer is balance sheet. The balance sheet answer is my balance sheet answer is correct. Next step is GST tax GST 3B summary and the GST 3B summary is correct and then click them. The tax return has to open. The tax return amount is correct and then the next step is AR writing summary. The AR writing summary the change the date because the 3-4 transactions that AR writing is correct. That AP summary change the date and then deleting that summary.